Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to do something fun in this video, and we're looking at the Bitunix exchange right here. I'm going to show you guys a bit of copy trading, or I'm just going to give you a bit of an exchange tutorial on Bitunix because 2026 is coming, and I know a lot of you guys have requested for me to make a bit of content around this particular exchange. Now we can see, looking at the markets, Bitcoin is sitting at 90.1k. I still expect some sort of upside or downside volatility overall, but it's an exciting time. And I think, trading can be done in both directions. It can be done on the upside and the downside, and every single market is in some way tradable. So I want to talk about this really. Copy trading for beginners or pros or whoever you are in this space. This is completely suitable for anyone. I do want to say we're looking at the Bitunix exchange. Total assets 180 million, reserves of 180 million right there, and their token breakdown is USDT, Bitcoin, and XRP. So let's have a little look. So I understand that when you look at all the cryptos and the tokens and the altcoins and everything that exists in this space, it's overwhelming. There are thousands of coins, and don't get me wrong, probably 95% of them are a bunch of trash. But the top 100s, top 200s, these coins are always worth keeping an eye on, doing research on, and things like that, in my honest opinion. Now remember, I'm just someone in this room. This is not financial advice, but let's have a little look at it. So firstly, Bitunix is this wonderful exchange right here. When you look at it, you see the website is pretty clean, it's sleek, it's simple. Your global crypto derivatives exchange, better liquidity, better trading. You can sign up. Down below there is a link where you can literally click a button, sign up to Bitunix. Takes a few seconds. You might get some exclusive trading bonuses as well for using the link, which would be absolutely amazing for you guys out there. It's always fun to trade with free bonuses and stuff like this. But in general, this is a really nice exchange, and I want to show you guys just how easy it is firstly to, get involved. Top left corner, you've got a buy crypto button, and a lot of people think for some reason you have to be like this millionaire or super wealthy person to get involved with this space and these markets, but it's simply not true because, Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's all fractional. You can buy 0.00001 Bitcoin if you wanted to. And yeah, you can even use things nowadays like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Revolut Pay, Visa, MasterCard, and it's super easy. You can choose all of these different fiat currencies, like AED, or SEK, Singapore dollars. There's so many ways to do it. Anyway, enough of that. That's boring. Let's have a look at the copy trading. Now at the top of the website, when you click on futures, you've got this copy trading button. It says follow top traders, and it will take you to this page right here. Now it says copy trading, become a lead trader to earn 10% share of your followers' profits. You've got here where you can do private copy trading, or you can become a lead trader and actually set yourself up as a trader. So I was curious and I've clicked on lead traders right here, and I've changed this. Instead of 7 days, I've gone to 30 days, and I have found someone that's caught my eye a little bit. This Sky person has got 118 people, I think, under 300 people, or over 300 people. It says his 30-day P&L is plus 4.6k, 30-day max drawdown 8.89%. Win rate 98.68%. That just seems crazy, right? It seems almost too good to be true. Now, I do want to say nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just a dude that sits in his room, but it does make me curious. So how would we, or could we, go about doing this when we can simply just trade normally on spot or leverage? For example, this is the spot trade where we can just do a little market buy and just buy normal coins on a one-to-one sort of basis. Alternatively, you've got the futures side, which is here, where you can whack up the leverage and go all the way up to 125x on a long or short. So there are different ways of doing so. So if I click copy now, it's going to say 7-day ROI was 5.77% with a decent win rate over here. And I'm just going to type in $100, for example. Stop loss recommended. So here, if I put 5% stop loss, my expected P&L is minus 5 USDT. If I wanted to be more high risk and put, my stop loss closer to a liquidation or just completely being stopped out, then I'd have a higher percentage. So let's say I'm going to be low risk and just put 20%. Okay, so I'm happy to lose 20% here, effectively, right? So that's my maximum loss. I can click here, I can click copy, and it's now going to copy this guy, which is interesting. And I don't know what happens after that, really. You can see I've now copied this guy, and it says my margin's 100 USDT. My strategy stop loss is 20%. And so far, my net profit reads at nothing, because I guess it's going to copy him when he does a trade in the near future or something. So this is quite exciting to see what might happen here. So I'm basically relying on him to do the work for me, which is just crazy. So let's see. Might return to this topic soon and actually see if it made any money. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much how simple and how quickly you can do it. You can see here, I've got my copies over here. And in general, this is the first one that we're trying on this particular experimental video. So yeah, overall, it's a great exchange, guys. You can also do some great earning here. USDT, USDC, Bitcoin. You can even stake Bitcoin. New users look up to 100% on this fixed term basis right here, which is absolutely insane. You've also got flexible term basis, 5% max. And yeah, I think it's beautiful to see the sort of DeFi products that they offer. The DeFi protocol really just care about giving back to the user and back to the community. I think it's just a great thing. For someone out there that wants to maximize in the blockchain space, check out my Patreon. It's over here, Jacob's Crypto Clan. Patreon link is down below. This will help you if you're a trader as well, because it's going to give you spot trade signals, leverage signals, early access to new projects, alphas, ICOs, whitelistings. You're going to get ultra early access to the alpha Discord as well. And yeah, effectively you'll get the premium content in this Discord channel as well. It's also free to join, by the way, so don't be shy. Here are some recent wins from some of the traders as well. Our trades are a bit more transparent and sort of straight on, like, yeah, this could work or this might not work. We set all the stop losses and all the things like this as well. So yeah, really interesting, guys. Please check out the Discord. It's down below. Check out the Patreon. Limited space is available. And let me know what you think of Bitunix copy trading. Have you tried it before? If not, try it. Maybe you'll like it. And if you have, let me know how your experience was down in the comments. Hopefully this video was kind of easy. Just looking really at Bitunix as a whole, it's a great package, sort of a highly liquid, highly secure, no KYC exchange, which you can use globally. And you can, basically trade and obtain many different coins here as well at the same time. So definitely a good one. Keep your eyes peeled on it. I personally love this one. And yeah, just look at it. It's a beautiful sight. We'll see you soon. Stay safe, guys. Subscribe, like, comment.